Greetings, family. We're live on Revolutionary Camp, and we're here in the eastern region in Ghana. Brother Righteous, where are we?
The Royal Cinchi. I just want y'all to know that we welcome you to come and visit us, but just know that this is where it's at. This is where it's at.
Yes, fam, this is where it's at. And we're at Cinchi Royal. My brother, we're at Cinchi Royal Resort, right?
Yes, please.
How long you been working here?
6 months.
6 months.
Yeah.
We're actually staying at African, but we usually come here for lunch and to get a tour of the place to let people know that we do have 4- and 5-star resorts all throughout Ghana, and it's incredible.
Exactly.
I like that 6-star. My brother says 6-star, and we're gonna show you what we're talking about for real. And I'm gonna let you get a glimpse of it because over the years, there's been someone dealing with travel, tourism, and reconnecting our people. I've heard crazy questions like, do they have bathrooms in the hotel? Do they have bathrooms in the club? What are we gonna eat when we go to Africa?
Yeah, Aquaba people.
So I'm trying to let you family know that the journey of a lifetime, we'll never lie to you. So that's why we show you all the documentation. You can be at a wonderful resort like this, enjoying your reconnection. Look back here in the background, and Righteous is gonna go back here and open up for us, and you're gonna see a lake. A lake found in Kwabena. We have to let our people know from the diaspora that the African continent has a lot to offer, and if you want a great 4- or 5-star resort, you have those options. You know, you're deprived of nothing on the African continent. It's all about what you want and what your accommodations.
Exactly.
Set up.
Some people thought even there is no good rooms in Ghana. Come and see, come and experience. This is a hotel that is built by a Ghanaian. It's been owned by a Ghanaian and a business friend. We have a lot of good hotels. There is no Ebola in Ghana. There will be no Ebola too in Ghana. Please come next year. It's going to be very big. We are expecting all of you to come. And when you come, you will never go to the Caribbean anymore. You will always come to Ghana to experience.
Well, family, you can keep going to the Caribbean as a brother from Jamaica. But what we want to do is we want to cut you from taking all those European vacations and come to the motherland on a journey of a lifetime.
Yes.
Woo!
Yes.
And I'm going to show you a nice view of this wonderful bedroom made for a king and a queen. So family, here we go. And look at that bathtub in the background. Wow, I mean, picture just walking out your room, family, and this is what you saw outside of your room. Lake Volta. You can just be cruising or just enjoying the breeze or just the fresh energy out here. It is amazing. And then you have the other parts of the resort back there. I mean, family, I keep telling everyone that, you know, there's no one simple way to explain how things are in Africa. We have a diverse of greatness, wonderful things. Ways you can just reconnect, re-channel your energy, and just appreciate the wonderful things that the continent has to offer. Oh my God, it's our good brother here, and we're gonna pull him to the side. Brother, how did you enjoy the room?
We go check out this room
He's
first.
about to go check it out. He's rolling. Family, look at the background here. Check this out right here. I mean, you talking about a cultural safari, a cultural view. Brother Ron, have you seen anything like this anywhere else in the world?
Brothers and sisters, this is magnificent. This is how you live in Ghana, Ghana, West Africa. It is best for the African for the African. This is how African for the African take care. First class all the way, people.
Excuse me, family, and Ron is right. When we talk about first class and we talk about reconnecting our people, you want to know what Africa feels like? You got to get away from that TV, unplug the idiot box, reconnect to Bomani Timer and the crew. You can see our videos on YouTube. We have plenty of them, and we do real journalism. We actually go to the location and reconnect with the people and let everyone see a visual of everything that's really going on. That way you can judge for yourself. We always encourage people to do their own research. I'm going to turn back around this camera on Brother Ron, and it's one of those things that we talk about all the time, about doing your own research about Africa and coming and seeing for yourself. Like a video like this, you literally see what's going on. It's not like something that was recreated on a Hollywood scene.
Yeah, the vibe here is really strong. It's really beautiful, tranquil, and you see how the ambiance is. And it's just a calm, peaceful place to journey and the vacation and enjoy the beautiful music, beautiful, wonderful food. The food is just magnificent. And we're right here on the lake. It's just, you have to experience for yourself. And the people are just unparalleled. The people are just wonderful, wonderful in their hospitality.
Yes, family, the journey of a lifetime. This is your brother Bomani Tayimba signing off. Until next time, family, reconnect to your roots. We'll see you in the motherland.